my baby, I spelled this ring for you. It's your talisman. As long as you wear it, nothing bad will happen to you. The fan and the hairpin butt are my weapons, do not let them loose. He must remain in the family.
Dean, what the hell are you doing here?
Okay, all right, we gotta talk.
The phone?
If I'd have called, would you have picked up? Dad hasn't been home in a few days.
So he's working overtime on a Miller time shift. He'll stumble back in sooner or later.
Dad's on a hunting trip, and he hasn't been home in a few days.
Remember the poltergeist in Amherst? Or the Devil's Gates in Clifton? He was missing then too. He's always missing, and he's always fine.
Not for this long. Are you gonna come with me or not?
I'm not.
Why not?
I swore I was done hunting, for good.
Come on, it wasn't easy, but it wasn't that bad.
I was 9 years old. He was supposed to say, don't be afraid of the dark.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Are you kidding me? Of course you should be afraid of the dark. You know what's out there.
Yeah, I know, but still, the way we grew up after Mom was killed, and Dad's obsession to find the thing that killed her. But we still haven't found the damn thing. So we kill everything we can find.
Save a lot of people doing it, too.
You think Mom would have wanted this for us? Weapon training, and melting the silver into bullets? Man, Dean, we were raised like warriors.
What are you gonna do? Just gonna live some normal apple pie life? Is that it?
No, not normal. Sane.
That's why you ran away.
I was just going to college. It was Dad who said if I was gonna go, I should stay gone. That's what I'm doing.
Dad's in real trouble right now. If he's not dead already, I can feel it. I can't do this alone.
Yes, you can.
Well, I don't want to.
What was he hunting? So when Dad left, why didn't you go with him?
I was working my own gig, this voodoo thing down in New Orleans.
Dad let you go on a hunting trip by yourself?
I'm 26, dude. All right, here we go. So Dad was checking out this 2-lane blacktop just outside of Jericho, California. About a month ago, this guy, they found his car, but he'd vanished, completely MIA.
So maybe he was kidnapped.
Yeah, well, here's another one in April, another one in December 04, 03, 98, 92, 10 of them over the past 20 years. All men, all same 5-mile stretch of road. Started happening more and more, so Dad went to go dig around. That was about 3 weeks ago. I hadn't heard from him since, which is bad enough. Then I get this voicemail yesterday.
There's EVP on that?
That's it. Kind of like ran the mic, isn't it? All right. I slowed the message down and ran it through a gold wave. Took out the hiss, and this is what I got.
Never go home.
You know, in almost 2 years, I've never bothered you, never asked you for a thing.
All right, I'll go.